Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Here we'll introduce and define Mealy machine. Okay, so Mealy machine is also deterministic output machine which is defined with the help of 6 tuples. Mealy machine and Moore machines are the similar kind of machines, means they can be interconverted. So those tuples are used to define Moore machine can be used to define Mealy machine also. Just there is one difference between the output function of Mealy and Moore machine. So we'll see one by one. Q is nothing but a finite set of all states. Then sigma is a finite set of input alphabets. Triangular delta is nothing but a finite set of output alphabets. So what are the alphabets used to represent the output string? That is nothing but the set of output alphabets. Means this set can be different from the input alphabet set, that is sigma set. Okay, so if that we have considered, if we are converting small case letters into uppercase letters and we have to build Mealy machine, in that case small case letters will be comes under the category of sigma and uppercase letters will come under the category of set triangular delta. Okay, so that's the difference between sigma and triangular delta. Now next is what? Transition function. Transition function, because these are the deterministic machines, so transition function is again similar to DFAs, that Q applied by sigma gives out Q, because we are getting single state as an output. Now next, initial state. Q0 is again represented as an initial state, and last is the output function. Here the output function of Mealy machine, that is represented with the help of lambda. So lambda maps Q applied by sigma gives out triangular delta. So here we can get the difference that in case of Mealy machine, the output is dependent on the present state as well as the present input. Okay, so output is a combination of these two values, but in case of Moore machine, the output function is dependent on the present state only. Okay, so this is nothing but the representation of Mealy machine. So we'll see what are the meaning of the symbol used to represent Mealy machine. So this is initial state. Again here this is output machine, so we don't have any final or accept state for the representation, or we don't need any final or accept state. Okay, so here the meaning is what? If we supply 0 input to state Q0, then it will move to state Q1 and 0 is replaced by 1. Okay, again if we move from Q0 to Q1 by taking input 1, then 1 will be replaced by 0 and we are moving from Q0 to Q2. Again the same thing is here, that is we are moving from Q2 to Q1 by taking input 0 and this 0 will get replaced with 1. Okay, so we'll calculate this set. Okay, so here Q will be Q0, Q1, Q2. Sigma will be, what are the input symbols? 0 and 1. Maybe it can happen sigma is similar to triangular delta. What are the output symbols? So output symbols are again 0 and 1. Okay, now next Q0, initial state is Q0 itself. Okay, now we have to write here the output alphabets. Okay, so Q00, if we supply 0 input to state Q0, then output function will be 1. Okay, so the value of lambda of Q00 is 1. Now next Q01 is nothing but 0. Q10 is 0. Q1 is 1. Q2 0 is 1 and Q21 is 0. Okay, so these are the values of triangular delta. Now next, how to write a table for Mealy machine. So in the first column we always write all the states that belongs to the given machine. Okay, so here I have written Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay, now next, here for each and every input symbol we require two columns. Okay, so for 0 I have taken two columns, one is for output state and one is for output symbol. Okay, again for input symbol 1 we require two columns, that is one is for state and other is for output. Okay, so first we will see how to represent a transition. So if we supply 0 input to state Q0, then we will move to state Q1 and 0 will be replaced by 1. Okay, so if we supply 0 input to Q0, then output state will be Q1. So I have written here in the columns state, I have written Q1, and in the output symbol column I have written 1 because this 0 is getting replaced by 1. Okay, so 0 is replaced by 1. So I have written here 1 as an output alphabet. Okay, for a given transition. Now next, for input symbol 1. Okay, so for Q0 if we supply 1 input, for Q0 if we supply 1 input, then we are going to state Q2 and this 1 will be replaced by 0. So we are going to state Q2 and this 1 will be replaced by 0. So I have written here 0. Now next, if we give 0 input to state Q1, 0 input to state Q1, then we are remaining in same state, that is Q1, and 0 will be replaced by 0. So Q1 0, output state is Q1 and output symbol is 0. Okay, so again for Q1 1, output state is Q1 and output symbol is 1. So Q1 1, output state is Q1 and output symbol is 1. Okay, for Q2 again Q2 0, for Q2 0, output state is Q1 and output symbol is 1. Okay, and for Q2 1, output state is Q2 and output symbol is 0. Okay, this will complete the transition table for milli machine. That means this is the delta for given machine. Okay, now we'll see how the strings will get processed in case of milli machine. Okay, for that purpose I'll take one example of the string. Okay, so 0111 will be considered as a input string and we have the milli machine as given. Okay, so we'll input 0111 string to this Moore machine. Okay, we'll see how these strings are processed. Okay, so first it will go to state Q0. Okay, so Q0 and we'll get input 0. So 0, if we supply 0 input to state Q0, then it will go to state Q1 and this 0 will get replaced with 1. Okay, now we are at state Q1 and next input symbol is 1. Okay, so at Q1 1, output state is Q1 and 1 will be replaced by 1. Now next input symbol is again 1. So again at 1 we are having the same state, that is Q1, and 1 will be replaced by 1. Now next again we are at state Q1 and the next input symbol is 1. Okay, so Q1 1 will be replaced by 1 and output state is again 1. Okay, so here the total output string will be 1 1 1 1. Okay, so if we concatenate this, then we will get output string as 4 times 1. So this was the input string that will be converted into this output string. Okay, so if we observe the length of input string and output string in case of milli machine, then that is equal to each other. Okay, so in case of Moore machine, if we compare, then output string will get increased by 1 because at Q0 at initial state we are again having output symbol. Okay, so hope so you have understood what is meant by milli machine. If you have any queries, then please comment and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.